Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another full day of eating video. She's comfortable. She's not ready to get up yet. I'm just usually eating my usual shit waffles with coffee, water, and checking with some clients, and then I'll be headed to the gym and therapy. So I will see you in a bit. All done with breakfast, ready to go to the gym, and then therapy. I probably won't be able to film at the gym. It just gets a little weird, but I will try my hardest. I failed miserably last time, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, I will see you in a bit. But I have to take my clothes off anyway, so I'll just show you my physique. Not that it's any different than last week. Really have some good goals up until about May. I'm gonna book until about May. Then I'm gonna start heading down, see what happens. My legs look shitty. I should be able to start like maybe squatting within a couple weeks. So yeah, time to get ready for therapy. Alright, I'm here at Trader Joe's once again, and I'm ready to fight the crowds and get what I need for the week of food. And then I'll show you what I got after I'm done, if I survive. And yeah, see you in a bit. Alright, all done Trader Joe's. That place gives me anxiety, but it's worth it in the end. They have good stuff. So I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat an RX bar. And I found my favorite flavor. It's kind of hard to find sometimes, but it's the peanut butter one. So sweet. And then kombucha, and that will be it. So then I'm gonna get home and I'll show you what I bought, and I'll cook up some lunch. Alright, I'm in my room, so this might be kind of weird, but I want to show you what I bought. Alright, so, got a bag of apples, broccoli, smoked paprika, kombucha, some dill, some grass-fed lamb. I don't eat a lot of red meat because if I do, it has to be grass-fed, and I happen to find some grass-fed lamb, so thumbs up, Trader Joe's. Got some turkey cutlets again. I got 2 of those like last week. Ground turkey. Another RX bar. Blueberries. Tomatoes. Wild caught salmon. Smart cauliflower rice. Mushrooms. Raspberries. This I found pretty cool. I've never used this before, but instead of buying a whole thing of coconut oil, these are coconut packets, and I thought that was awesome because you know what is a serving, and you know you're only getting 1 serving as opposed to, I don't know. It's easy to cheat when you measure tablespoons out, and so I could cook with this, or I could put this on my sweet potato. If I do a baked sweet potato, I can just put like a packet and not go overboard with the oil. So that's pretty awesome. And some more brown rice. And that is it for this week. The price, can anyone guess the price? I got an idea. How about if you can correctly guess the price for this grocery trip, then I'll think of a prize, but I don't know of any right now, but just guess. Alright. Time to cook some lunch. Alright, so this is salmon from last week that I'm going to cook up for lunch, along with some rice and some broccoli that I'm going to steam. So, salmon, when it comes to wild salmon, it's really sensitive, so you have to be careful about overcooking it. You don't want dry salmon, that's the worst. So, if the skin is on, you want to put the skin side down first to make it nice and crispy. So I'm going to season that side first. And yes, I love salt, I know. Get the other side. A little bit of avocado oil. Alright, so while the salmon's cooking, I'm going to use some of this broccoli I just got. I'm going to do 2 servings, which is half a bag. Just in the steamer here. Easy. Then, I'm going to use some of this rice that I just bought as well. So this is already cooked. All you gotta do is put it in the microwave. I know. You're judging me again. I can feel you judging me. Oh, phone call. Getting a call from Jupiter, Florida. Denied. Anyway. It's already cooked. I'm gonna put this in the microwave. And I know you're gonna tell me how bad the microwave is, and I agree with you. I'm not gonna deny that. So, yeah, go in there. Alright. You see underneath, the skin is nice and crispy. So, time to flip. It's gonna be on this side for literally like 30 seconds, and then it's done. Do not overcook it. I already seasoned this with salt and pepper, if you're wondering. probably not wondering. So broccoli weighs out to 160 grams. This is hot. And I'm gonna do about 5 ounces of this salmon. As you can see over here, it is beautiful. Let's see if I can hit 5 ounces on the mark. Let's see. .4. Close. Good enough. So we got salmon. I'm just gonna put a little bit of dill on top. Alright, so I got my lunch. I'm gonna check in with some clients and do some work. And I've got a few things I'm working on, and I'll tell you about them later. But for now, I'm gonna plug my personal training programs here again. If you are looking for personalized custom programs for whatever your goals are, weight loss, muscle building, health, etc. It doesn't matter where you are in your fitness journey or whatever, like I would love to work with you. And yeah, so contact me. The link is down below, or you can email me as well. Yeah, I'm gonna stop pushing that now, but I promise you won't regret it. Alright, I will see you in a bit. So one other way that I've been trying to make money lately is selling old shit on eBay, which includes none other but a Nintendo. The original Nintendo, with original Ninja Turtles stickers included. Check out the rad sticker on the side. So yeah, someone just bought this, so that's cool. Just saying goodbye to it, saying goodbye to the memories. If you're old like me, you will have played this once in your life. Also, my brother, I think this is pretty much my brother's actually. I think he got this for his birthday, but sorry brother, I'm selling your Nintendo. If this was like 35 years ago, you would be pretty mad at me, but I don't know that you're mad at me right now. Maybe. But yeah, and I sold this book and this book. It's a good book. So, you know, doing what I can to make money here and there. And I gotta go to the post office and all that fun stuff. So I will bring you along with me. You get to hang out with me and do boring errands all day. How fun is that? Got my eBay packages all shipped off, and then also something that I did that I've been meaning to do for a really long time is that I got a mailbox. It's not a P.O. box, it has an actual address. This is my new address, if you want to know. Box number 168. I'll put it down below. Just if you want to send anything like letters or whatever, and it's all private unless you want me to share, then I will. So just for that. And yeah, so just picked up the key. Cool. Got my own address. Alright, now I'm gonna go home and I'm probably gonna work some more, probably go for a walk. So I'm just gonna end it here until dinner time so I don't bore the shit out of you. So I will see you at dinner. Hey, hey, hey. Trying to steal my food. Stop that. Stop that. Sitting here because my knee still hurts when I sit like at the chair too long. So yeah, just turkey, stop looking cauliflower rice, and tomatoes and mushrooms. She's excited. Anyways, more client work. I got some program design to do for someone who might be watching this. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, I will see you at dessert time. Alright, so for dessert, I just have some raspberries, blueberries, and an apple. And that's it. That's all I'm eating for today. And if it's not, I will tell you otherwise. And Carly wants to say goodbye to you. Carly. Carly. Say bye. Bye to YouTube. Yeah. Okay. She says bye. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment, subscribe, check out my website and my Patreon and all those things you probably don't actually want to do, but I'm going to tell you to do anyways. And yeah, thanks again. I'll see you next time. Peace out.